In 2025, there are numerous ways to make money online quickly, thanks to the evolving digital economy. Freelancing remains a top choice, with platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offering opportunities for skills like writing, graphic design, and coding. Specializing in a niche can help you stand out. Selling digital products such as e-books, courses, or templates is another effective way to generate passive income, with platforms like Gumroad simplifying the process. Dropshipping also continues to be a viable option, allowing you to run an online store without inventory by leveraging Shopify and Oberlo, especially for trending products. Affiliate marketing is a lucrative method where you promote products and earn commissions, often pairing it with a blog or social media presence. For those with expertise in specific subjects, online tutoring via platforms like VIPKid or hosting webinars offers a quick way to earn. Photographers can monetize their work by selling stock photos on sites like Shutterstock, earning royalties every time their images are downloaded. Social media management is in high demand as brands seek professionals to grow their online presence. If you're creative and consistent, starting a YouTube channel can also yield substantial income through ads, sponsorships, and memberships. Another promising avenue is becoming a virtual assistant, offering services like scheduling and email management to businesses via platforms like Belay. Lastly, investing in cryptocurrency and NFTs remains popular, though it's essential to start small and only invest what you can afford to lose. These methods provide diverse options for earning money online. While success requires dedication and consistency, the opportunities are vast and accessible. Remember to stay informed and adapt to market trends to maximize your earnings.